in the pool.
The pool say.
I like to get in the pool.
Crap. What is like where snakes is hiding with you? It's real. I like this river stream. It's so peaceful and quiet. I don't know why.
I just step in this bitch.
What is wrong? What the freak is wrong with you?
Or the wizard jelly.
Oh, crap.
Oh, it's chocolate.
They stopped the mofo right. What the fuck is wrong with them?
It was chocolate, you stupid fuck.
They just looked at our bitch ass. The fuck is wrong with you, dumb dog?
What's that? The spring? The spring trap?
Yeah, the spring trap. What the fuck? That's a mosquito. Oh shit. Oh dang! Look at that. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeet.
What the fuck? That's a spider web right there.
Can't even see it on the camera.
Hey, well,
So
we're
fucking
going
thin.
to a different spot in a location.
Where?
Remember?
Oh yeah, weed place. All right.
Hopefully, I have a heart.
Okay. We'll crap that house. I feel like hearing that song. That ooh, it's just me, myself, and oh my god, that's just scary.
What?
There's a hidden house right here. Anyways, yeah. Ooh, it's just me, myself, and I. So that running till I die. 'Cause I got me for life, got me for life. Then some other crap, and yeah.